Hey guys, it's Alec here from Build Nerd. In today's video, we talk about how my Elegoo Saturn, as well as the rest of the first batch of the pre-orders, were delayed shipping by one more week, and why I'm actually glad that they were delayed one more week. Let's check it out. For the last several weeks, the Elegoo Saturn has begun shipping some of its early bird and some of its pre-orders for the first batch of pre-orders. And as with a lot of early ordering of new products, there are some issues, and thankfully Elegoo has delayed the shipping of the rest of the first batch to iron out a lot of those issues. The first being this grid issue. Now this photo is taken from Uncle Jesse's YouTube page. I'll be sure to link this original video down in the description. It shows a definitive grid pattern on the 3D print. Now he did note that there wasn't really any resolution difference, it's just that this grid pattern did show up, and with a simple coat of primer it covered it up pretty easily. But Elegoo has said that they have a fix for it and they're applying that to the other Saturns before they ship them out. Second issue people have noticed is a chipped build plate when they've received their Elegoo Saturn. Now this could be just poor packaging or something in the shipping process, but it has happened more than once, so Elegoo has taken a look at it and they've actually fixed it, as well as started to ship a larger build plate. The original build plate was 192 by 120 millimeters, and this new build plate is 126 millimeters by 196 millimeters, which is actually a different sized build plate. Now it does look like Elegoo is gonna still ship the original build plate as well, so I'm currently unable to tell which my Elegoo Saturn will have, whether it's the original one or the slightly larger one. That's still to be determined. Now I can understand the frustration of people who really want their Elegoo Saturn to arrive and are frustrated with the continual delays of its shipping. However, I am happy that it is delayed, because these issues are great to be ironed out by the people who have already received their Saturns, so that when I receive mine and they go to full mass production, these issues are fixed. Now, I have also ordered a Wham Bam flexible resin build plate for the Elegoo Saturn, which is how I found out originally that they're shipping two different sizes of the build plate for the Saturn. I'm extremely excited to receive this Wham Bam flexible build plate and really put it to the test through many prints on my Elegoo Saturn. We'll definitely do a video in the future regarding the Wham Bam flexible resin build plate. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video and want to see more like it, feel free to like, comment, subscribe down below, and until next time, build your nerddom.